Hey everyone, so I want to try out this concept of mini DIYs. Now they're not replacing the main DIYs, want to make that really clear, and they're not costing the patrons any more money. It's just that a normal DIY is like a 40-hour work week, and I can make a mini DIY in 30 minutes, and then avoid a situation where I go several weeks without posting a video. Let me know what you think about that in comments below. Today I'm making gold! For this build, I used just gold spray paint. In the Jurassic Park Amber video, I mentioned that I failed several times before accomplishing this. Well, this was one of those failures. That's all tiny little air bubbles that are trapped in there, making it too cloudy to see the prehistoric mosquito. So I'm gonna spray paint it gold to make it into a gold nugget prop. I also wanted to make this video in order to test out this new camera setup. Whenever I paint something, I always cut away and no one ever sees the process. I basically just got the camera in a clear plastic bag. I learned about this technique while crewing on student films in Vancouver, Canada. I don't know if you've ever been there, but the city's nickname is Raincouver.
Today on set we saw a bird.
So in addition to the elaborate rain jacket that comes with the standard camera kit, there's a PA responsible for holding an umbrella over the camera. And one of the key grips is responsible for setting up a flag on a C-stand above the camera to deflect even more rain. So like 3 layers of rain protection. So the reason why I'm testing this out is because if you're not paying attention to where the nozzle is aimed, then this could happen. Nice. Oh man, it's like the James Bond intro. And that's how you make fake gold. This build was brought to you by a Bugs Bunny cartoon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know what you think of this mini DIY in comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date when I post new tutorials. Alright, have a good one. Jake out.